Hello everyone, welcome to KK Human Anatomy and Physiology videos, a platform where you will get interesting facts about human anatomy and physiology. In order to study brain, it is divided into three parts. These three parts are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. If you haven't watched my first two videos of this lecture series, then I strongly recommend you to watch the two parts before starting with the third part. You will find the video link in this top I button as well as in the description below. In this part of brain anatomy lecture series, we are going to discuss about midbrain. Midbrain consists of two important parts, Corpora Quadrigemina and Crura Cerebri, also called as cerebral peduncle. Before starting with the in-detail study, you must know the exact location of midbrain. Let's see the location. The midbrain or mesencephalon is the most rostral part, meaning the initial part of the brainstem that connects the pons and cerebellum with the forebrain. To know more about forebrain, click on this top I button. The midbrain is the shortest part of brainstem. However, it contains many important structures that make it essential for the proper functioning of the body. Let's talk about Corpora Quadrigemina. In the brain, the Corpora Quadrigemina are the four colliculi, two superior colliculi and two inferior colliculi. Singular form is colliculus. This is the superior colliculus and this is the inferior colliculus. If we talk about the functions of Corpora Quadrigemina, then they are reflex centers involving vision and hearing. Superior colliculi are responsible for reflexes of head and eyes in response to visual stimuli. On the other hand, inferior colliculi are responsible for reflexes of head and eyes in response to auditory stimuli. It basically connects the forebrain and the hindbrain. Let's talk about Crura Cerebri, which is also called as cerebral peduncle. On the inferior surface of midbrain, there are two thick fibrous tracts called cerebral peduncle or Crura Cerebri. Cerebral peduncles are the two stalks that attach the cerebrum to the brainstem. See the image: superior peduncle, middle peduncle and inferior peduncle. The peduncles are composed of many pathways that travel between the cerebral cortex and spinal cord. Now let's see the cross section of midbrain at the level of colliculus. Here you can see a superior colliculi, singular form is colliculus, as we have seen before. The cerebral aqueduct is the part of ventricular system which links the third ventricle with the fourth ventricle. I will take another separate lecture to cover the entire ventricular system. You will find its link in top I button as well as in description. Near the center of midbrain, you can see a mass of grey matter scattered within the white matter. It is called red nucleus. It plays an important role in maintaining posture and muscle tone, modifying some motor activities and motor coordination. Here you can see oculomotor nuclei. These are responsible for control of eyelids and most eye movements. Here is spinothalamic tract. It is a sensory pathway to the thalamus. The substantia nigra is a basal ganglia structure located in the midbrain that plays an important role in the reward and movement. The interpeduncular fossa is somewhat rhomboid shaped area of the base of brain. Other two important parts of midbrain includes tegmentum and tectum. The tegmentum is a ventral part of midbrain involved in many unconscious homeostatic and reflexive pathways and is the motor center that relays inhibitory signal to the thalamus and basal nuclei to prevent unwanted body movements. On the other hand, tectum is the dorsal part of midbrain. The tectum of midbrain is responsible for auditory and visual reflexes. Here comes the summary of this video. We have discussed the midbrain in detail. It consists of two main parts, that is Corpora Quadrigemina and Crura Cerebri or cerebral peduncle. We have also discussed locations and functions of other important parts of midbrain. Hope you understood well. In my next part of this brain anatomy lecture series, you will get in detail information about the hindbrain. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Do like, comment and share this video. For more updates, join the forum and group, visit my Facebook page. I have provided the link in description below. Have a happy learning.